Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch between views in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app, and here it opens up in Drive files, where we have our documents. And here in the top right corner, here we have 3 lines. If you tap on this, we can toggle this, the organization of files, either to have it as a list, and then we can manage the sorting as well, either it be name, last modified by me, or just switch back to these icon view and then sort by the same principles. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.